These animated storytelling videos are getting tons of views. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these type of videos solely using AI tools.
Gentlemen, you had my curiosity.
But before that, let me tell you a short story about how I came up with this idea. It was that time of night when I was searching for faceless YouTube channel ideas, then I stumbled upon this video. Of course, being the money-hungry wolf I am, I couldn't resist to check the Social Blade to see the numbers. This channel is making in $6,000 every month. That's it. I'm going to create my own animated videos using AI. Before going forward, let me show you how the final video will look like.
Time in a lush green forest, there lived a wise old turtle named Timothy. One sunny day, as Timothy was taking a leisurely stroll, he noticed a tiny sparrow struggling to build its nest. "Hello, little..."
This video is divided into 6 parts. 1. Creating story and prompts. 2. Creating voiceover. 3. Generating images. 4. Images to 3D video. 5. Editing the video. 6. Adding the subtitles. Part 1. Creating story and prompts. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short moral story for kids not more than 200 words. Ask ChatGPT to write some titles for the story. Now we need prompt to generate images, but you know how lazy I am. So I ask ChatGPT to write the prompts to generate the images of the stories. Now copy the story and go to 11 Labs. Part 2. Creating voiceover. I'm going to use 11 Labs as this is free AI tool. All you have to do is paste the story, select the voice you want and click on Generate. Click Download button to download the audio. Part 3. Generating images. We'll use Blue Willow AI to generate the images. We have the prompts from ChatGPT. Let's copy the first one from ChatGPT and write/imagine and paste the prompt. Then write cartoon 2-AR3 ratio 2 and press enter. Now click here to upscale the image that you like. Open the image and right-click on image and select Save Image as option to save the image. Repeat the process for all prompts. Part 4. Images to 3D video. Go to Leia Pix and sign up using your Google account. Click on Upload and select the image for which you want to create the video. The video will look like this. Click on Share, then click on MP4 to download the video. Repeat the process for all images. Part 5. Video compilation. Go to Canva and click on YouTube video. Then click on Upload and select the first video. Now click on the video to add to timeline and right-click on video and select Set Video as background. Now click on Upload button again to add the audio that we downloaded from 11 Labs. Click here to add blank templates. Now drag the audio to Video Editor. Adjust the video according to the audio. Do same with all the files. Once the video is ready and compiled, click on Share and then click on Download button. Part 6. Adding the subtitles. Go to Video AI and click on Upload File. Select the video downloaded from Canva and click on Start Import. Then select the landscape option and click on Continue. Now select the templates that you like and click on Continue. Then click on Done. Click on Video and click on Landscape option and check if video is looking good. Then click on Download Video and click on Confirm. Now our video is ready and can be uploaded on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.